You know what? That's supposed to be protection so that you won't, if you hit your head, it's not gonna hurt you. It's not a teeter, baby. What are you doing? Hey, Jesse boy. Hey. Sarap ba? Yummy ba? Is it yummy? How do you like your new helmet, baby? So you don't hurt yourself anymore when you fall. Right? Masarap ba yan? Parang gusto kong tikman yan, anak ah. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There goes our Jessie. Loving the corner pad. And he's making it his own theater. You like that, huh? You like that a lot? Okay. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Is that yummy? Oh, 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 oh. Careful. Careful. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ay, nako. Ang likod. Sige nga. Show us nga how yummy that is. Yee. Mmm. Bah. Mom, mom. Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Nakunin mo yung ano sa taas, please.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy.